Hola amigos! Today I decided to make an additional part about how to deploy React app on GitHub pages. My friend has an application on pure React, and he also had some troubles when trying to deploy it on GitHub pages. So I asked him, can I choose his project for my video to show you what exactly you need to do to deploy it successfully. So let's start. So I already forked project of my friend to my GitHub and open it in WebStorm. What we did before, we installed GitHub pages using command npm install save dev GitHub pages. You can watch this command in my previous video where I explain how to deploy Vue project, because this setup step is the same for React and for Vue apps. In your package JSON, we added homepage string with your name and your GitHub repository name. The next step, in the script section, you need to add pre-deploy and deploy strings. It also the same command which we used when set up Vue project. And the next one, important step, as my friend didn't use Vue, so it's only pure React, we need to go to index.js file, and in this section root we need to add base URL, base name. So we are adding this with browser router, and here is base name. Events, base name is the name of your project. Events attending. And it should be written the same as it written in your GitHub repository, so you can just copy the name. And the app should be inside our browser route. Save it. And now use command npm run build and the next one, npm run deploy. If you don't see that it's published or there are any errors, go and watch my previous video where I'm explaining what you should do and how to create GitHub pages branch to deploy project. Now move on to the settings, to actions, and we see that 39 seconds ago it was deployed. And we can see the URL, move on, and it's nothing there. Let's check any errors. And yeah, we have error with history, components, and I guess that its error connects to our road, because we had something similar road error in our Vue app. So you need to go to app.js, and here we see our router inside navbar, main and routes. We need to change it a little bit. So we remove router here and adding routes after the main tag, and put all our route inside routes. Then repeat our steps npm run build. And npm run deploy. See, it's published. Go again to our actions, and we see that it's in progress, waiting. And before we continue, I want to say thank you everyone who is subscribed to my channel. And let's check. It's the same error. I don't know what exactly it was. Maybe it was cached, but now we see it's working. And let's check some links. Yeah, and links also working. Cool. So let's summarize what we should have to make our React application work. So you should set homepage in your package.json. It scripts like deploy and pre-deploy. In index.js, you need also to say the base name, because in case when you're not using with, you would write this in with config, but as my friend didn't use with, you need to write it in index.js. And in app.js, we changed the road stack. And that's all. All the steps how to set up GitHub pages and all the steps what we need to set up on the side of GitHub will be the same for React and Vue app. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!